Good morning, guys. Meet my Cathy. She's very hungry, guys. She loves to eat hot dogs and burger and cheese. See, guys, how she loves hot dogs. Say hi, Cathy. Cathy. Hi. I love you, Cathy. Cathy, baby. I love you, Cathy. Cathy, Cathy. Good morning, guys. Meet my baby Cathy. Yeah. Give me your hand, Cathy. Cathy, Cathy. Cathy, give me your hand. Give me your hand. Your hand, Cathy. She don't like, she disturb ka, guys. Ayan po siya, guys. So, nag-focus po siya dun sa hotdog. Cathy! Cathy, baby! Come. Cathy! Cathy! Busy siya, guys. Busy. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Please like and share and comments and give me star too, guys. Thank you so much. Have a good day and God bless everyone. Oh, guys. Thank you.